Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to write in 3D in simple way, in too much easy way. Like pick two markers and join them. One is upside and second downside, and start writing, and pick and finger like down and pick the markers like that and start writing. Like today I write Karan name, like it start from here down, straight down line, like you need to just draw simple your name first. That is why. Now you need to join, so you combine this line, like pick this corner to straight another corner. Complete this guys. Wait for guys this complete. When it's complete, it's looking too much good. You can't believe on that how it's looking when it's complete. So guys, pick your highlighters. Today I draw with orange and light purple color. So fill this. So guys, how this is looking now, comment below. And if you have black marker, and give this blue outline to black to make this more attractive. Like this. Now guys, how this is looking, comment below and give this video a use, thumbs up, like, and comment below for your next name. And please subscribe the channel if you can't yet, and hit the bell icon for no more updates. Watch my more tutorials to learn calligraphy, cursive writing and painting and sketching etc. Thank you very much guys.